Now, today for the knife attacks, let's see the basic drill that we need to train it every day. It is the 460 degrees with knife, okay? So it will be always the same. I make my defense and my attacks in the same time. When he's attacking me, 1, you see? And when I hit him, it's over here, very strong. Maybe we'll drop the knife, okay? I have 50% of chance that he dropped the knife. So when I do this, the idea is I'm not just make a defense. When he attacks, I don't do a defense. He attack me, I attack. Bam! Okay? I hit him, I attack him, okay? To his wrist. It is a real attack, okay? So when I'm in the street, I'm just not a victim. He's attacking me, he will be the victim. He's attacking me, bam! Okay? And always with aggressiveness. So now, let's do it. He's attacking me. Okay. Now, let's see a defense from this angle. Okay? From all this angle. Okay? After we will see a defense from attack they are coming from this angle. And after from this angle. So let's see the first one. He's attacking me. I make my defense 1. But we see that if the knife is very long and the guy is very strong, maybe he can reach me. Okay? So it's very dangerous. So what you have to do it is to go in this side. Okay? He's attacking me, I go to 1 o'clock. Over there. Attack here. If he continue, no problem. I'm not here. I'm over there. So in the same time I will do 1, I'll go over there. 1. Okay? Again. 1. Now look, very important things. When I'm here, the problem is, when guys is attacking you, it's not like in the movies. Come, it is not this. Okay? It is like this. Okay? 10 times, 50 times, okay? Every day we can read this in newspaper. When people are attacking, it is few attacks, not like this and he's staying. It is few attacks, okay? When a terrorist is coming, he's coming from here, he's attacking, okay? In Israel, we have a case of a terrorist who was running with his knife, okay? And the policeman takes his gun, he's shooting him all his magazine, and the terrorist could finish the attack and reach him. Although that he get all the bullets in his body. After he was dead, okay? But with 15 bullets, it cannot stop him, okay? So when I do my defense, I don't have to do this and go to continue. I have to do this. 1, I grab his meat over here, and I go over there. Because here, look, his shoulder, he can go back to attack me again, okay? He could do this and attack, okay? But when he's here, he cannot go back to attack. From here, I can go back and attack. But when I'm here, I cannot go back to attack again. So basically, it is what I will do. From here, 1, push, grab, hit him to the groin, and go here to handcuff. Over here. Again. He's attacking me. 1, I push, I hit, and go to handcuff. Again. Faster. Give me your second hand now. Your hand, okay. And from here I can make my handcuff. He's attacking me. From here I hit him. And if I do this very fast, I can break him shoulder. And go to handcuff. Okay, again. And when you do this, think when you're on the street you are afraid. Okay? And see if you are thinking like a victim, you will dead, okay? When he's attacking me, I'm not a victim. Attack, I hit him, okay? And in one way, like this. 1, bam! Okay, with all my body. I go, I grab his meat, I hit to the ground. And I go to handcuff. Again, fast. Okay. Now, let's continue. He will attack me from this angle. Okay? The same thing. One, defense and attack. He's attacking. One. You see the distance? If I walk here, attack, too dangerous. When he's attacking me, I do this. One. Okay, I go over there. I don't do this, like this. Okay, again. One. Here it is 90 degrees, because if it's a straight arm, he can continue. So never straight arm, always like this, not like this, like this. And here, the thing would be the same. I grab his mid, and I won't go for here to the arm locks, because here, he can continue to attacking me, okay? So the same thing. When he's attacked, I push, and over there, he cannot attack me a second time. Here, he can make a double attack. Here, he cannot. Now look, when I grab him, never like this, because when I hit him to the groins, and he's hurt, and alone he will fall to the ground, okay? I will hit you and you fall. Take your arm with you, okay? I grab very strong, okay? Take your arm, he cut me, I cannot, okay? So when you grab, it is not like this, okay? On the elbow, it is over here. Here, he cannot take his arm. Here he can, here he cannot. Okay? It is a big mistake to do this. Guys are doing this here because it's easy to go to elbow lock, but I don't want this. I want this. Okay? Again. One, I push, I grab, I hit, and go now to take his fist. I make a step back, take the knife, and hit him to his face. In this way. He's attacking me. One, I push, I grab, I hit him, go to take his fist, step back and hit him to the face. A little bit faster, he's attacking me. Attack and hit him. This side, he's attacking me. And I hit him. Again. This side, he's attacking me. And I have him on control. Okay, I can continue from here. Okay, now let's see from this direction over here. Okay? Now, look. I cannot make the same defense for a fist. Okay? For a fist, I was moving my arm like this. Okay, when I do this, you can see here a triangle. Triangle, okay? Not good. Because if now he's attacking me with a knife, he starts like this, and at the end he go back, he go down, I will get hurt, okay? So I cannot move like this. I have to move all my hand, my arm, together, like this. The elbow and the fingers move in the same time, like this, not this, like this. My shoulders are all the time in the same direction, and I turn like this, okay? Not this, never. This, okay? He's attacking me slowly. One. And you see, I stay on the same line because I trust in my defense. Okay? I don't do this. Of course, it is easy to jump on the side. Okay? I can jump on the side. It's easy. But if you don't know how to make this defense without jump, it is a real problem. Because if now I am here, come, I am waiting for the pass. Okay? I'm like this on the wall. And now he's attacking me. I cannot jump on the side because there is the wall. I cannot jump. Okay? So from here, the only thing will save my life, it is to know how to make this move. Okay? So again, it's good to jump. It's safer to jump. But not in all the cases you can jump. If I am now against the wall, I cannot jump. If I am now sitting on a chair, I cannot jump. The first move, it will be always this. The arm